Okay guys, in this session we will understand one function which is known as Vlookup table. Now what that function does is, suppose you have an item known as soap and you want to find out how many of this item you have sold as per this set of data. Now that we can see quantity sold is here. And right now it is looking very simple because we are seeing in the fourth row, but if it is a large set of data and we are looking something on the 150th row, it becomes a difficult thing to do. So we learn how to use VLOOKUP table. So equal to VLOOKUP, it has already come as a suggestion, we'll just select it. Now it is guiding us how to fill up the data to get the desired answer. And by the way, all these parameters that it is guiding us how to fill it up, these are known as arguments. So VLOOKUP has got 4 arguments and it is telling how to fill up these arguments. So first thing it is telling is lookup value. So what we are looking for is the soap. So we'll click here. It has come as A5. A5 is the cell what we are looking for. Second, it is looking for in order to get our answer, from what cell to what range of cells we need to select. And to make the things easier, we'll just say we need to select column A to column K. So it has given column A to column K. Then it is asking column index number. It is asking in which column the desired answer, that is quantity sold, we will get. But that we can't write J because it is asking in terms of numerical number. So we'll count it from starting from A because we have selected the array from A to K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is the 10th column. Okay, before I go further, I would like to explain to you about this column number because it is a bit tricky. Right now we have selected from A to K. So we started counting column number A as 1 and went all the way up to quantity sold and found it 10. Suppose we had selected the array starting from B and would have gone up to K, then we'll start column number 1 from B, not from A. So it is not tricky, but you have to be a bit careful when you are selecting your array. Last one, it is asking true or false, whether it is approximate match or an exact match. Well, I would select false for now, and don't worry about this because it is mostly required for when your answer is not numerical but it is in text form. So it is just asking whether it has to be exact or approximate match. Anyway, it is numerical, so we'll just say exact match and say enter. And soap, its quantity sold is 2 and that it has given us here. Now there is a problem here. See, right now we just said that okay, we want to know the quantity sold value for soap, but again, suppose we have to find it from toothpaste. In that case, again we'll have to write the full formula, considering toothpaste is at cell number A12. In order to avoid that, we'll find some blank cell where we should be able to write our query and we should get answer here. So for that, we will select that. Instead of A5, we'll select M, and this is 5 number. So instead of A5, we'll select M5 and see what happens. Once we say run it, it says not applicable. It has said not applicable because we have not given any data to our query. So if I write here soap, it will show you 2. Suppose we write body lotion, and say enter, body lotion is 1. If we write say face cream, it will give face cream as 8. So it is quite a useful formula, and I hope you have understood it. And if you have any query, put your query in the comment section of this module, and I would like to reply to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next module. Thank you.